Hello, powerful manifestors. It's Victoria Gallagher here, hypnotist, best-selling author, and creator of the Believe Hypnosis app and the powerful Manifestor Mastermind. I help people just like you tap into the real power of your mind so that you can create the life you've been dreaming about. Now, let's get honest. You've probably got a vision board hanging up somewhere, maybe a Pinterest board full of dream homes, dream vacations, the perfect body, dream car, whatever it is. But if you're still waking up on Monday morning, dreading the week, you're opening your bank app and it feels like a horror story, something just isn't lining up. So listen, it's not you. You are not broken. You are not lazy. What's missing are just a few tiny, powerful tweaks that you can do to flip your mind from that maybe someday to it's already mine. So stick around because I'm going to share 3 powerful hacks that can literally retrain your brain to notice opportunities and lock in your goals and bring about your desires much closer, much faster than ever before. Now, before we dive in, be sure to hit the subscribe button, click that bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube knows to show you more manifestation tools every week. And let me know in the comments before we get started, what is one thing that you are calling in right now? Are you calling in more abundance, more love, better health, opportunities, luck, money? What is it? Write that thing down. That is your first act of manifestation. So here's trick number 1. The first trick is to use the 17-second focus. Affirmations are great, but saying them all day long sometimes can feel really forced and like you don't really believe it. So instead, here's the science. If you hold a single thought with focus for just 17 seconds, your brain begins firing new connections. Now, if you hold it for 68 seconds and your brain reacts like it, then your brain begins to react like it is already happening. So here's what you do. Grab your phone timer, grab any timer, and just set it for 17 seconds. That's all it takes. And then pull up a picture of your desire. Maybe it's that dream car. Maybe it's being a bestseller on Amazon or in the bookstores. Maybe it's your ideal body. Maybe it's your soulmate. Whatever it is, maybe it's your bank account being flourishing with lots of money or a business that is attracting all kinds of clients. Whatever it is, just see this as already done. And I want you just to repeat one statement, not I want, okay? Because if you say I want, that keeps you wanting, but I have. For example, my bank accounts are flowing, overflowing with ease. All right, that's it. All you have to do is see that image, say the affirmation, a very short thing, and just hold that vibration for 17 seconds. That's all you need to do. Do that 3 times a day, 1 minute total. And your brain doesn't have time to argue with you. Your brain doesn't have time to say, no, you can't have that. Your brain will actually start to rewire that as your new reality. Okay? So trick number 2 is the bedtime pen magic. All right. Are you typing in your goals somewhere on a computer? Handwriting them is much more transformational. When you write by hand, it lights up more of your brain, it slows down your breathing, and it calms down your nervous system. And it literally drops you into the alpha state, the perfect state for manifestation. Well, even deeper than that is the theta state, which you will go into when you're doing your meditation and your deep hypnosis. But before bed, I want you to grab a notebook and write these 3 sentences. Write what you want, when you want it, and why. Why does this matter to you? Why is this so important to you? Why is actually the key to you having it much more than even the when, because why is tapping into the emotions, your vibrations. So say this as you're writing this down. I am celebrating my new business launch by December 31st, 2025, or maybe for you it's 2026, maybe it's the middle of 2026, whatever it is for you, because this is going to, and the reason why you want it, because this is going to create so much freedom in my life. This is going to help me contribute more to my family, to my friends. So just why do you want it? When do you want it? And what do you want? So what do you want? When do you want it? Why do you want it? It just takes 90 seconds. And while you sleep, after you've written this down, your subconscious begins working on that. So trust me, you're going to wake up in the morning with fresh new ideas and fresh energy. So I want to ask you, are you more of a visualizer or more of a writer? Do you like to, when you are manifesting, do you prefer to start visualizing and seeing the pictures, or are you better at scripting and just writing out what you desire? Drop a comment. I'd love to see how you go about connecting with your desires, because it is different for everybody. All right, here is the third trick. And this one is really fun. This one is called the reticular ringtone. All right, so your brain has a gatekeeper, and it's called the reticular activating system, RAS for short. And the RAS filters out what you notice. Because if you had to see everything that was happening all around you, you would go crazy. So the brain has a way of filtering out what it shows you. So if your goal isn't in that familiarity zone, then you can literally have opportunities right in front of your face and you wouldn't even notice them. You wouldn't even see them. What it does is it shows you what is familiar. It shows you what you are believing in your subconscious mind. It shows you what you're giving your focus, attention, and energy to. So that's what it shows you. So we want to train the brain to show you more of what is familiar. So here's what you do. I want you to choose a ringtone or an alert sound, something unusual. And I want you to set a daily reminder with this present tense statement of your goal. I am attracting amazing clients with ease. That's it. I am attracting amazing clients with ease. And every time that sound goes off, your brain gets a little hit and it starts to look for that evidence. And you won't necessarily notice that consciously, but over time, within days, you are going to start to notice people showing up, conversations happening, opportunities are lining up with that goal. And it kind of feels like magic. But here's the thing, all the things that it's showing you, they've already been there. It's just now your brain knows what to focus on and what to look for. So this is just your brain's way of finally paying attention. And this is, it's really a pattern interrupt at the same time. So it's interrupting what you have been focusing on, and it's training you to, whenever you're focusing and thinking about other things, this ringtone goes off at a certain time each day, and boom, it's time to call in something that is more beneficial for you. So now let me ask you in the comments, which of these three manifestation hacks are you going to start using today? Go ahead and type in the comments either the 17-second spark, the magical nighttime pen, or the RAS ringtone. Claim your manifestations and they will have already begun. So claim it now. Say it in the comments too. I claim it. I claim it. So these are my top little manifestation tips, ticks, hacks. I was trying to say hacks and tips at the same time for you. They are simple, they are quick, they are powerful, and none of these require hours and hours of your time. You can do these ones really quickly, and they're just small, friendly shifts that will literally change the way your subconscious operates. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon so you never miss a new session. And when you're ready to go deeper, download my Believe Hypnosis app. It is filled with daily hypnosis affirmations, meditations, all to keep you aligned. And for those of you who really want to supercharge your manifesting powers with coaching, accountability, community of manifestors, and unlimited access to all of my manifestation courses, over $10,000 worth of courses that I've been creating over the last 25 years, check out my Powerful Manifestor Mastermind. The links are down below in the comments. And now say it with me. I am a powerful manifester. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Victoria Gallagher. Happy manifesting. I'll see you in the next video.